Today we are going to make another delicious cake recipe for your tea time. Before getting started, check whether you have these ingredients. Our first step is to melt peanut butter and butter with water until it becomes creamy and smoothie. Make sure you stir this butter mixture under low heat until you get it out of the stove. When the mixture becomes smooth, we can get the pan out of the stove and let it cool down. Our next step is to mix flour, sugar, baking soda and salt together. Now in a large bowl, let's beat eggs, milk and vanilla. Thereafter, we can gradually incorporate our dry ingredients with this egg mixture. Once flour combines well with eggs, we can add our prepared butter mixture. Beat until it incorporates and becomes smooth. Now it's time to pour the batter into a 9-inch baking tray. We need to bake this cake around 35 to 40 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Until cake bakes, let's make our peanut butter frosting. For that, first you need to beat peanut butter and butter until it becomes smooth and fluffy. Then we need to gradually add powdered sugar. After adding vanilla, our delicious peanut butter frosting is ready. Finally, we can spread this frosting all over our cake. Make sure your cake is fully cooled down before adding frosting. The other thing is, we can store this cake up to 3 to 4 days in a refrigerator. I hope this will be a perfect delicious cake for your tea time. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. See you soon with another delicious video.